look, Maminka Semaninya Yanabedi Matem. If it is the truth, I'll tell you.
You say it.
If it enra, also an Aropea Metanaoka, Kotoko supporter, Wako in Swatri, Yawana dear, Emma Nipani free. Now, first started, and I Ghana football, I say, and I Ghana football, I say.
Ghana football to say.
No, I sat down and read, like, I took my time to check those people singing it. And those people, no, Onua, one way or the other, affiliated to Kotoko or Nsoatreman or whatever.
Sorry.
And I asked them, say, this weekend, you have won 9 solid matches across the centers.
One.
Has and the Heart of Lions, a boy. It was a side game, a bigger game than Kotoko and Nsoatreman. No matter what you say,
Debbie,
Obia Kubobia de Oho, and Obia Bobia. Nations FC, since I know about Ghana Premier League. Native Bia share woman, Ewa Abrankasi, Young Apostles, newly promoted side, and you could break sa record. Omobowie, you know, about what you were a Abrankasi Abobia, Debbie, and I sent to Kobe, Debbie. Samates. Baby, any go start a peligaji. Samates alcohol. And now about draw.
I think last weekend.
And this weekend,
yeah, okay.
But what you say?
Debbie.
House of Folk Tina Crash Sports Stadium. Emma Basake Holy Stars.
Yeah.
Every Basake. Ebe Shen 1-0. First match of the season. But what you say, BBS? Debbie. And Tisawoko Swatre. 95. No Kotoko Nsoatreman. Eko Kontokwa. Nase ya the idea will be manipewa. And yet 2 teams to me Jimmy. And it's
not about Ghana football. And me, I don't know why I've said this. And it's not ahead of you. Give me some more there. I'm happy. Yes, I'm your name. Nasa sabi mo buana eboma. Na onya police in airport. Why is it that we don't criminalize issues when it has to be with football?
I don't pay. I had to go and fish out. Issues preceding to the main game.
Okay, and some of see
now, number one, an opano before the pre-match technical meeting. Now, for clarity,
okay.
Now, when you want to see analysis, like sports,
95.1.
Mo fa chame menya code nti se mu say na semiti mo fa chame. I had to go deeper to the FA.
Okay.
To get a clear plan as to how a normal person administer the game.
Okay.
Now, a summary reports of the match coordinators meeting between Nsoatreman and Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Meeting ended at 10:30 a.m. Now
the day and son
the day of the match.
Day now the match day. Yes, the match day.
Coordinating meeting.
Okay.
The FA enim say anytime be Asante Kotoko ever travel, and I am saying this on authority. I didn't see, and yes, it is a football game, but it has its ethnic relations.
GFA 95.1.
Yes.
Or your football.
Or your football assembly. Them go beyond just the football match.
Mekade anope meken wa hade there. E kwato de nkrofo warokwan. Men kade kade adan no. I said it this morning.
And you see, this season alone. And yet this season alone, in time immemorial, you say there is an ethnic conflict between the Asantes and the Bonos.
I don't want us to
I don't want us to
go that line.
I think, or make a point B. Let's allow, then you can also come in Portugal.
No. And yet, it is not out of our own imagination. Ena Kotoko Viana entokwasi. Kotoko Bechemua entokwasi. Kotoko Nsoatreman entokwasi. Kotoko Brekuma entokwasi.
Traditionally, that rivalry no.
Ebacho Abrante na ye born to won ni emene fry no. Na match me. It was Asante Kotoko Brekum Chelsea. Just this season, Brekum heya. Ya bo Kotoko fo bo referees. E wo Kotoko ni Brekum Chelsea wo Brekum. have videos I may show. Ya buomo wa dressing room. Brakum Chelsea wura esi free stand simu dressing room. Ekop inside the tunnel. Ya bu nkofo wom.
O see you know why and
Police for gina ho.
That is the issue I have with football.
So you say what nasi? Ne say wo analyze the whole issue. Asante man any bono champion to kwano. Idea it cut across all walks of life.
Facey.
So proud to the match, the FA after almost say probably something of this sort might happen. They requested for 20 police personnel.
Police.
No, 120 police personnel.
General election, swearing in Mampenini, other high ranking officials. How many security persons they deploy them?
Well, no,
there are.
I agree. I'm just.
But 120 police
for a
match.
120
for a match.
Oh, joke. I've been an official.
Yes,
for
100.
What does it tell you?
It tells you that it's a high or a 10 or a match.
120 police personnel.
Onua FM 95.1.
Medical, 1 ambulance, 4 medical personnel, 1 stretcher, and 1 nurse. Red Cross, 4 personnel, 1 stretcher, and 3 gates.
Okay.
Then, when it comes to football, anyway, 10 football, 10 ball retrievers, and a way, and make it sure say available provided. So this was a comprehensive summary of pre-match technical meeting.
120 police personnel.
So we have video now. I've always said the same. Men just say my life me say. You see, a blame me in a security. When the FAA make a request to the Ghana Police Service,
Onua FM
security do park wa or maybe. That is why there is an in charge. On security for them. It's on the deployment. Where you it leaves the hands of the ref because it's maybe a Juno. Police follow a war on battlefield. Yeah. They need to ensure law and order. And if you check police in here, the commander, because you cannot command the police officer unless the commander in charge.
Whatever it is, you channel through the
commander in charge. And police follow we 120 and I'm about park and so. Now come before the name baby you what boy and this kind I don't know say you want a sharp object because I don't know the material anymore. Now come
Onua FM 95.1.
A police officer was holding a gun and on Namho you won't be a Germany police the whole the police officer
debut. There was a police presence there.
Me say hey, ya wo bi sika mani pore da obe so be chem obefa on the economy and fan humpo.
No, Solo, you shouldn't conclude on that score.
No.
Wait.
That instant now.
Solo to was it could also be say for ambulance for number. We shouldn't just conclude on that score, say because we saw the police walk away.
We saw the police officer
and one. See,
no, we saw
these are police officers around.
Nipa no order from Owu. We a security person. Quickly carry the person back to the ambulance. I've been over for ambulance.
Of course, situations like this. So about medical.
So it took a lot of.
Onua FM 95.1.
and tomato handkerchief na there and omadi ato be a moja ni free ba no omadi ato so you watch the video
Solo
everybody left
Solo what was the proximity of baby ICUC na
video no ba we say from the gate
antia where stadium na anyi no wo na anyi
say enkwafo mu gira ho momo outsiders omo hebo ni bi wo mom na aba be ko akwaro ho a no mu yewi na security process no omo nyina fi ho they've all left the place they've all left the sea.
Solo hold on Apeja.
First of all yema Kotoko any
Solo it's okay Solo
Pole any nebusia I'm told say August year twem no worry And Onua 4 per the report we had. And that is my headache and my
Onua FM 95.1.
First of all, yemo muyako na the atosum from per reports, any what we are reading, no. Almost they had a confrontation outside the stadium before even the game started. Na ekobanesa under no circumstance, and there was a yeboboa nipe film.
No.
Under no circumstance.
Because I've said that
entertainment. And they be a can the abrofuni example. I mean, same the abrofuni example. I mean, pet. Oko Emerita supported to me. Actually, so play more like inner perimeter.
No. Debbie. In UK, in England,
yes.
Per one standard, no. Yeah. 1 year inner perimeter.
No.
But for England,
they don't
do that.
95.1.
Or a discipline.
Supporters,
you'll be identified.
Supporters are more crashing. It happens.
Yeah, it does. It does. It happens.
Support Argentina. River Plate, no, Boca Juniors.
But
one of the deadliest games in world football.
But Nana, Makrame yere me ma.
Okay, you're from Nsoatreman.
Henry.
Yes.
Makrame yere me ma. Say Sunday me nkwa adwuma. Me ya boy ade amepe. Inti Kotoko yitima me support no. Ye ko Nsoatreman. Ma me for opportunity we so na me ko hwe Nsoatreman. Na me ko hwe bo ni bi enji medi. We yire ene wo ma betene say wa frim. Enya ka akwenje na unyan you. But obi ni wanya hey into wa train ade e wo. Ye do ko hospital we GM.
How?
I rehosem.
Onua FM 95.1.
Whoever or ye involved at this moment, I expect the Ghana Police Service said they should get these people arrested.
Of course.
Whoever or ye involved, ye chuom. Na ye man ko phone them. Nenye example because nana we one of the few things where because ye Kotoko.
Yes.
Because a video no
a lot are Orisia Yenti.
Who call the lower leagues division 1
Orisia don't know one Fabian
Why you 4 years what happened no nana ya ma ye nancy for ma ebe harding. And no you want 2 Asante Kotoko Ghanaian clubs no there are so many things we need to do well. Minim say based on the match pre-match conference the number of police personnel now more request here no I don't know if so many number if so many number I blame Asante Kotoko
95.1
that they
went
honor
ahead
the match
to honor the
when
game.
they knew that
yes minim the number of police officers and as a security personnel la omo G2 ma omo de call so many number they are fine they tosu mienu the police service one ACA behind the inner perimeter or whatever it's
very
a stadium
close, yeah.
It's a stadium na minim see a park ye hwehwe ye ho say obi mfa sharp object
one year you and I know they don't do it
yeah so what are we doing?
They don't do it.
So what are we doing?
You and I, I'm now here.
Meanwhile, to gate, you know, every gate piano, there is a police personnel.
So
you understand when I arrive. Again, aside chinko for no police for no security persons, whoever was in charge of security must be brought to book. I was here because Nana
to explain why
whoever is in charge of security here will be the first person before until we
of course because the security of the place was in your hands.
I shall say and to say obiet me rapid so na wako park no oni ni nya confrontation na watimi atwe bibi
post ni ono ko chen corner
wa twe bibi no dia wo bi ba ama wewu oyo bi papa oyo bi kunu
na oyo bi say agesiya na nipa no oware yo
yeah that's what he just said
agesiya no ware wa won kwala afo
nana
one or ba hwe na mo from
eno ne me question na me ban na me ne me mutale etike me ba na me so because see one kasa won wo yerete wo papa no koba no look at the situation and life on this city enkola na nya 1 enya 2 enya 3 enkola 4 oba na adwuma be no ye me say team Asante Kotoko any Ghana Football Association don't bet me ayama
Onua and say 95.1
aye no they will come in their numbers omba be bonsa enkola no me nya sure say ne man no mo GHS and SHS from now till time on be university. Sister no be den.
So lo meje medamone about mama kan bibi. Last week, Professor Dr. Grace Ayensu Dankwa make a statement in Parliament about the safety
of even Parliament or no
in the Parliament House. Now, okay, there. If wonsum Kim, she dare say there. Parliament ho, or ye MPs no 1/8 na de what that knowledge
the
first aid.
The support you be.
Yeah. Solo, look at what happened. Me video here. Os that Ghana for yes as you suade. Abrofo, what do baby mayan kan
FM 95.1.
Train one number
from the
to the point that
emergency
when something happens to any of them in the house,
or have fair idea about what to do.
Abofrano him fair idea. How was the call or your ambulance? How was the tried or resuscitate in the phenomenon? But look at what has happened.
Yeah,
the one you take the cameras.
Yeah, clubs and Ankasampono. When there is security and safety training, no makofa. Like, you see.
Solo.
Anyway, I
Madam Waba, maybe then you people take over.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,